In this video, I will show you how you can join a very good club, search a very good club in Brawl Stars game. So if you want to join a very good and active club, then what you will do, you just open your Brawl Stars dashboard main app and just click on club. On the right side, you can see there is option called club. So just click on club. When you click on club, if you have already joined any club, then that club will be shown here. Just click on that club if you have already joined one of them. When you click on any one of the club, then there is on the top side you can see the option called search. Just click on this search option. When you click on search option, now here you can search different clubs and then join any one club that seems very interesting. So let's simple search here empire and search this. When you say this, at the right side you can see there are many clubs. Now how you will do, just open it anyone different club, open different clubs and see their active members and other features, and then simply join that club. So this is basic tutorial how you can find, how you can search a very good club in Brawl Stars and join them. I hope you liked it.